So I believe.
So record.
Okay, record. I believe already started. Okay, good afternoon. I'm Rezaur Rahman. Today I will make the training. I'll just start the slide sharing. Then we can go for slide share. What is screen? I believe screen. Screen. Okay. Then we can go for. Okay, yeah, good afternoon and assalamu alaikum. Today training number 8 and today topic is manhole statement and ITP for installation of structural manhole and installation of DWC pipe, sewage network. I'm a Rezaur Rahman, senior geological engineer, Al-Handasah consultant. So we'll start the training so that we can forward the working, we can get the proper information. And I request everybody should engage who have during the slide who have any comment or experience or better idea, always welcome. Participate. In this case, everybody should know. Even I can know also. Okay. So we can go for the next. Okay. Before training, there is a three code: quality code, safety code, and sustainability environmental code. So whoever discipline, electrical, mechanical, civil, whoever working, we have to make sure that quality compliance. Quality is basically compliance. So this is not for the specific to comply the specification. It should be a habit. If you see that quality is not an act, it is a habit. So you should make a habit or culture. So in not mentioning the specification, we are complaining not like that. It should be habit. Second one, safety code. Think safe, work safe, and be safe. Wherever you are working, always make sure that your health and you are safe. Your family, you have family, everybody. So safety is the most priority. Any unsafe act, follow safety procedure. Next one, sustainability environmental code. You know that green save or go green, save our planet. Wherever you work, outside work, or in your country or in village, always make sure we should go for green. You know that when we are using petrol, we are using energy, carbon dioxide is going to the greenhouse. Greenhouse is absorbing heat. World temperature is going up. So if it go like that, our next generation cannot live here. It's very clear. So this is a summary of quality, safety, and sustainability. Okay. Now we'll go. It is actually discussed last training. Also, we'll go for very briefly. What is method statement? Anybody can tell? Anybody can participate? Procedure of work. Procedure of work. That means whatever you work at site is step-by-step procedure. It should be written. Otherwise, everybody has different mind. Everybody has different previous project. This generally we saw that everybody is referring to the previous project. Is not like previous project. We have to follow our current project, our current requirement, current specification. And based on this one, method statement should be prepared. Shair, any comment?
No, reading.
Reading, huh? Yeah. Okay, I will share the slide. Now focus more on discussion. Okay. So method statement is step-by-step procedure for the activity at site. Yeah. So in this case, you can go. ITP also same. ITP is mainly inspection testing. So during activity, which inspection you have to conduct, which is whole point, which is witness. I'll come back. Right. So which testing should be done? It will clarify based on the specification requirement. Okay. Inspection point, when you go for inspection, which inspection should be submitted? Whole point means contractor must submit inspection request. Some inspection not triggered, right? For example, curing,
Yes.
some other activities, polythene sheet, no need, submit WR, but we have. So, for example, reinforcement shuttering, this should be whole point, right? That means when in ITP you will see whole point, That means contractor must submit WIR. Second is witness point. Witness point is third-party testing. Third-party testing. So this contractor has to submit WIR to invite us, not verbally. Sometimes verbally come. No. Everything should be documented. Okay. Information should be in the WIR. Then we will witness. But it is not mandatory. Third-party testing witness is not mandatory for us to witness. If you have other work, you may waive, but testing will continue. Okay. Test.
Third party can also. They can test.
Third party will go for testing, even consultant contractor both present. They can continue. They're the third party. It is called independent third party. Okay. So they
will not wait for witness, which means that
they will wait, but schedule, for example, 1:30.
Yeah.
They will wait 1:30. If nobody's here, they have right to continue
without.
because it's called independent. Okay.
Mm.
Practically, it is not happening. It is mutual, but literally or contextually, it is like that. R means review. If you see ITP review means it is document review. For example, material submittal, method statement, shop drawing. These are review. Okay. Surveillance means what I told you, that which is not whole point, but you have right to inspect. Curing, polythene sheet. So what is not whole point, but you have right to inspect anytime, anywhere within working period. WR tracking sheet. Last week I shared 3 WR tracking sheet I received from NBH. Have you checked, anybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody is requested to check. I shared in the WhatsApp.
This Rezaur one and Midtown, I think.
And Midtown and
And the
Overlock.
Midtown.
Check. This is very important tracking sheet. This, as a glance, will tell you any inspection rejected. If anything red, you can see 1 second, right? If anything red, that means it's rejected. If it is all are green, means all are approved. So before snagging, what will see? This tracking sheet will see. Before snagging, all WR should be approved, right? So you'll see all are green or yellow. It is, some inspection which will accept B. Okay. So I request everybody to check whatever you received the tracking sheet. Okay. This will give you very good idea. Even any WR missing, that means white. Then you will see why you missing. You can catch here. Next, this also discussed before. Code definition of code A, B, C, D, E, and Q rejected. So A means approved without any non-conformity. B means minor non-conformity, you can give B. C means major non-conformity, you can give C. D means absolutely not acceptable, and it cannot be resubmit. So how I saw sub WR you put rejected. So it best way to keep code E, because code D we cannot resubmit. So end of the project, what will happen? Rejected.
WR was a duplicate. That's why we give them code D, because no need to submit again.
No, that's why end of the project, every D cannot be. D should be 0. End of the project. So that's why we suggest code D. Okay, you can give D, but I will convert to E. E means information. Information and no need to submit.
Some WR is duplicate, same before has been approved, and they submit again. So
It will be E. We will write that duplicated WIR. Duplicate WIR, status E. I already gave status E. Because E is acceptable. End of the, even you can hand over, but you cannot hand over until single number of D or C. A acceptable, some WR D acceptable. C you cannot, otherwise you cannot hand over. C and D is very clear. So D thing is as a E actually. Okay, yes, I'm clear. Yeah. Q rejected means is mainly minor documentation issue. It will go Q rejected. Okay, I'll skip very fast. You can check relevant authorities. Everybody, I believe, know. So I'll skip. I'll go for relevant standard, ADQCC, TACA water solution, ASTM, BS, ISO, ASTO. It is main here. Okay, now we'll go for step-by-step procedure for installation of structural manhole. Okay, first, definitely shop drawing material submittal all will be approved, but at site, first activity will be MIR. See, Nasir is doing excellent job, no?
Yes.
Yeah, we should appreciate Nasir. Huh? Good. Yeah, this is the way we have to check. Okay, so whenever any delivery, whoever you civil, electrical, yeah, inspector, but make sure first that MIR is approved. For the MIR, what you have to check? Definitely, before MIR checking, we have to check that material is approved or not. This sample is approved or not. Sample is applicable for most of the materials. Some are not applicable. For example, liquid, curie compound, no need sample actually. There's nothing to do.
Manhole, you need sample for manhole.
The manhole big say on it actually. Huh? But for example, sample need waterproofing membrane unit.
Yes.
Okay. Bitumen no need sample. Huh? Okay, you know actually. Tile unit and the water stop unit. Okay. When you check, you have to see that source of origin is correct or not. If material approved is, for example, France, and you delivered from, for example, China or any other country, then it is also the same material, not acceptable. Traceability. Every product has product code. If you see the production code, this production code should reflect in the delivery note.
This is the main issue which we are facing at site,
Yeah.
especially in the structural management. So
It
there is
should
not a traceability between the manhole and the delivery note. And the delivery note, sometimes they write a lot number.
But in the manhole production number.
Yeah, and the production number. This is the issue.
Okay, this specific case, yeah, after the meeting, in my presentation, just come to us. This traceability should be. Maybe they prepared for other project and they brought. We don't know. Many things.
Project name is
Same.
but only this is the thing.
This should match actually. Otherwise, even audit, somebody will audit come, they will catch it. Sure.
But the number is same. Number is same.
Number same.
But the meaning
The problem in documentation.
Only the delivery note.
the delivery not mentioned plot. Another one production.
But number same.
Number.
Oh, that's the manual who wrote.
But these people, they are considering that thing. This,
I know.
they consider.
Okay, just we have to pass the information. That should be language should be same. Production code should be
Yeah,
same.
this we have to inform.
contractor.
We are facing the issue.
Okay, just show me the
These
sample.
people, they are
Sample we'll share with this one. Okay, traceability is very important. Okay, even though in Alu project I faced actually UPVC pipe every week they are delivering. How do you know that the today delivery they are showing today delivery or last week delivery? Only production code tell. Diameter is right. So production code, yeah, we must check. Let's go.
But normally they are just writing the date of manufacturing there. Nothing more traceable.
And I believe this company, Anabib not writing, but other company writing production code. This same problem we Anu project we raise this issue. There should be standard practice should be. Otherwise, how will know that this exact delivery and this delivery is same? You cannot catch.
Should be matching.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So then we have to check that material stored is as according to the manufacturer recommendation and specific requirement. For example, waterproofing, SDP. This very sensitive material they cannot put anywhere. Okay, so when you reply, avoid generic comments. Generic comments is mentioned in this way. You can write a generic comment, but based on generic comments, you cannot give status B. We encourage everybody, yeah. Okay, give status A. If you have no non-compliant comment. If there is no non-compliant.
Suppose for this GRB menu, we can give code A.
No.
After inspection.
No.
Because the execution at site.
Meaning handling and installing.
And there are so many processes remaining.
Damage can
I want to, but material itself is okay.
Itself is okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, there are no.
That was the warning certificate.
No.
Sorry, warranty certificate.
Yeah, that's it. Simple.
Warranty certificate not submitted.
I'm not asking about our material, but this is my question.
From MIR?
Yeah, from MIR, if the material is okay, as per the.
If material itself is okay, 100% okay,
Yes.
document 100% okay, code clear. If installation, that WA should be rejected.
So we will not recommend as per the side, after the side.
Installation.
Installation.
Yes.
No, No, this installation, then yeah, Jafar will reject. W will be rejected. But is material itself okay? Documentation okay? Code very clear. This is we are facing from all the regularly.
Because they will submit.
Yeah, because many project handing over getting delayed 2 or 3 months only for documentation. Huh? Okay, so if you have minor comments, damage, everything, then it will be code to be. But documentation okay, material is okay, is very clear code. Okay, even WR also same thing. Cleaning should be done. Should contractor has to follow the all safety procedure? No, this cannot be code B. Should be code A.
If it is damaged, they will replace it for sure 100%.
No, damage, then WR will be rejected.
No, yeah, they will replace anyways. It's not about they will replace.
No, if it is damaged, then MIR also we can.
No,
If damage from the factory, then you can give.
yeah, give B or even give C. It depends actually. It depends on the damage. It can be C. Okay, so this is a other message. Regularly,
But we have authority approval. We are waiting for every MIR. For each MIR, we are waiting for authority approval. As ACOM, as ASM.
No, but in some authorities, suppose for Taka distribution, the engineer he will write approved and he will send the material bus after the inspection. He will not give any comments. But this material is good until whatever happens during installation is secondary. It's WR.
Well, in ADDC before we usually submit this MIR to them for potable water.
Yeah.
And we received
yeah, what is still correct? Which is authority dependent. For example, this you cannot give it code A. Authority, what is? So it's about
approval.
yeah, exactly.
I remember what
Same
happened.
case.
So it's same case Sewerage after ACOM you can
Yes.
Sewerage is different. It is ultimate authority of ACOM. ACOM give B, you can give A.
Yes.
This is different.
Any
Ah.
MIR authority will come to check.
Huh.
Even a Taka, it's coming to check. Taka will come to check.
Okay,
Yes, yeah.
if TAPCA is pending,
We cannot
then
release
then,
before
then,
Taka.
no, then we cannot. No, what is my comment is generic. For example, stormwater,
Yes.
reinforcement. This is not going to anywhere, so you can authority.
It's up to you.
But what is condition going to ACOM, going to TACA? This you cannot actually. Even without their approval, you cannot give any approval. So this is different actually. So what is our discussion is generic, general comments.
But we can give generic comments with code A, right? Suppose.
Yeah, you can give generic comments, but should be code A.
We can give code A. Like
Exactly.
manufacturer storage as per manufacturer recommendation.
Yeah, exactly.
code A.
Exactly. Code A. Okay. Next. Next. MIR power water for some specific items to be submitted to TACA distribution. Not all material. So just check the respective area for the power and potable water. All MRs to be submitted to ACOM for sewerage. All MRs should be. This already we're doing. Okay. Next. Okay. Now for the inspection for the manhole structural manhole installation. See if you see the photo. Okay, I believe Jishan should be here. Where is Jishan?
He's taking.
Oh, she's here.
No, Abia.
It's not.
Okay, Allah copy. Okay, setting out excavation and formation compaction. So this is a manhole. Yeah, EBIT is taking, and this field density test should be 95%. Okay, next one after compaction and test result passed, then we have to go for 75 mm thickness. Concrete should be C20 SRC. And this is the inspection should be excavation, formation, compaction, and blinding together. Okay, together. And this is a scenario. Yeah. Same thing.
Including.
So which one?
Including.
Yeah, they're submitted together, all together.
There is another WR for
Yes.
survey.
There's submit excavation for, sorry, setting out for
Setting
survey.
out there.
Setting and survey.
This is only for setting out.
They're submitting
Only for-
setting out
Only
survey.
the-
Only for the local location, yes. Okay, next one. And I really appreciate Mr. Walid. Walid helped me to prepare this slide, and I really appreciate. Even Jafar also.
No need. Thank you.
No, Jafar also. Jafar also. Okay, installation of GRP structural manhole. This is the whole point here. If you see, very good picture. there is a installed. Okay, make sure this is the installation is done, and make sure that plumb it is stable, everything done. Okay. Okay, then next one, the concrete in manhole base and cut-off wall. So after installation of the manhole, to keep it position, we have to pour the concrete, cut-off wall, side you see, and the manhole base.
Manhole
Here.
base inside the manhole.
Inside the manhole. I'll later on I'll show you this sketch and then it will be very clear. Okay. Next inspection will be whole point inspection. This is a precast here they're doing. I will Fauzi knows very well. Okay, Fauzi, you have any comment? You send me photo, right? This one? Oh, good job. Okay, this is your cover slab, rebar and reinforcement casting, and after that, it will be placed on the manhole. Okay, now this is the cross section. Okay, so if you see the cross section, so this is the pipe connection, this is the backdrop, and this is the what I told that concrete should be a base concrete.
Base.
After base concrete, there should be benching. This should be WR is mentioned, infilling of benching base. Okay, benching base. And after installation, this one be cover slab.
And
This should be inspection. And there should be, this is cover slab, what is Fauzi is doing. Fauzi is doing excellent job actually. After Fauzi, there's the massive improvement in precast yard. And we hope that next Monday, Engineer Saddam will come and we want that he will be happy. Yeah?
Inshallah.
Okay. So this, you see, this will be epoxy paint. Huh?
There is EPT.
Is
The cover slab.
gasket. Under the cover slab, there is EPT and C.
Yeah, ceiling should be.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Yeah. Even around the pipe also should be, right?
No.
Hmm?
No, this is from factory, the port.
always.
This is for C1.
Okay, now DWC. We can go for step-by-step procedure for installation of DWC. Okay. This again, first MIR to be submitted and it should be go to AECOM and our Nasir is inspecting. Yeah.
Approve this.
Okay. And before all excavated material, it should be stockpiled. Even important material, stockpile we have to collect. We have to send for suitability test. Is doing excellent job. Sharafo. And if it is approved, we have to keep. If you see that if it is approved, green, under review yellow, there is a different color. This color code we have to maintain as per municipality requirement. If you see the next page, if it is approved, this is a. And whenever site, you always make sure that this code is working, every site, and make sure that all updated method material you can. At the same time, make sure that there should be standard checkpoint. In the standard checkpoint, all mixed design should be pasted on the wall. I believe nobody, no site is done, right?
Nothing done yet.
Nothing done.
Even the concrete checkpoints, we don't have it in all the locations, the shaded area, nothing. We don't have
No,
anything.
in Mugafar we have
Only
the point.
Asnad, Babu Sabha, all the big sites, we don't have anything.
No checkpoint.
Oh, nothing.
That's
This
HDB without informing us about the
One by one, huh? Okay. Your,
Without his house sharing everything, but he's
There is no access.
no access.
no access. One checkpoint, nobody can access.
Okay, but he's escalation from water inside.
Ah. Okay, we have to issue SWOT.
They will build a bridge.
We have to issue SWOT. Okay, make sure that all information, especially measured method statement ITP, should be on the checkpoint and all mixed design should be checkpoint. Otherwise, nobody will know that which is coming. It not possible to check.
Still, they don't have hard copies of the statement or anything on site.
In the OMGAFA,
I mean, Mugafa maybe is exceptional case because everyone is going there, but Saad, I told them multiple times, even this QR code, I saw it in one area in the corner bus. At the other side, there is no.
okay, we have to issue formal SWOT. Whenever go to site, make sure that a checkpoint is available, all documents available, even concrete washing area. Concrete washing, they cannot wash everywhere.
One, two, There is no problem. There is nothing. The checkpoint not flashing.
Salamat one.
They're throwing on the ground.
Salamat one, any concrete? Any concrete started?
Serimas one, no, Serimas two, they are sort of complete. This cut off was depend on actually on
But no checkpoint.
no checkpoint.
Okay, we'll issue. We'll issue.
This environmental they are washed complete. And saw there are one and two.
Send me photo. Send me photo.
سيد فيه ولا ما في سيد؟
Send me photo.
Only Mugafa.
Only Mohawk.
ايوه
Okay, we'll issue a word for the concrete washing area, concrete checkpoint. Huh?
أربعة.
Okay, next one, setting out excavation and formation compaction. So this is the compaction,
More deeper than 2 meters.
and
Pipeline.
then 90% compaction should be 90% compaction.
It's not more than 2 meters.
That guy is only 1.2 meter height.
Right.
Okay, now it is
The
here.
guy standing.
Here, maximum allowed height in excavation 1.2. Maximum 1.2. If it is more than 1.2 height, we have to make the slope. Contractor has to make the slope like that. Huh? Okay, should be 1.2. And any stockpile should be from the edge. It should be 2 meters away. Huh? Stockpile. If it's within this one, take photo and send to us or send the group. And this is I collected from the drawing. This is the width of the trench. For example, in the previous, how do you know that this width is correct? Huh? So this width, if you see, this is the UPVC, this is the GRP, and this is SDP. So SDP, if diameter is 250, diameter plus 600. Huh? In UPVC different, this there. So this is the year you can follow.
And they will fill the all gravel material in the trench or what?
They'll fill all gravel material.
Just around gravel.
Okay, we're coming. Huh? We're coming step by step. Huh? Okay. Next one, laying of DWC pipe with aggregate bedding and surrounding. Okay. So this I want to tell that concrete encasement. Huh? Somewhere we have to do concrete encasements. Concrete encasement we have to do when from the top. If the pipe is within 1.2 meter, it is written very clearly.
Yeah.
If it is within 1.2 meter, then concrete encasement we have to do.
From where to where?
Hmm?
This 1.2 from where to where?
From top
From top of pipe.
Top of,
of the soil.
Top of pipe.
From
from the cover level to crown level.
Yes.
So
Yeah. Top of
From
the
the
pipe.
cover level to crown. This is the technical.
finish floor level to
But
Exactly.
for DWC, concrete encasement is not allowed. Should be protection slabs.
Production, huh? Okay. Okay.
No concrete encasement.
Okay.
Engineer, what about this due to extend?
Because it's, any
How they will make some
problem,
like
pre-offered.
yes.
But it's concrete putting memory of.
This is the other issue. Another issue. It should be 30 cm, right? 30 cm over left. Always make sure. This is Aldar also made some comment. Aldar. Yeah. So make sure that if it is short, they have to make again over left.
Again, another one piece they can,
Yes.
they can keep from top of it.
But better if it's single.
Better if they make from beginning.
Mhm.
Now gravel surround. Tell us about the gravel surround.
Hmm?
On the sides, how much?
No, it is mentioned. If it mentioned that below should be 150 and top should be 30.
And sides.
Side for
The side to you know what is the width of the trench.
Width of the
Width of the trench.
What is right here? Can you just see here? Written on the side. This.
Yeah, plus 300.
No, it is mentioned before,
We
right?
mentioned the
Please
top
mention.
slide in this slide.
For example, this is the diameter, for example, 250. 250 plus 600, so the 850.
It is
So-
here, but can you read just this one, right bottom? This one,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, just I'll make zoom. How to zoom? You know how to zoom?
Plus
No, you have to get out from.
Get out, huh?
You're not in presentation mode. That's why.
Yeah.
So it's okay.
Yeah, just read it, please.
Okay, man.
Yeah, and like here.
What is it?
This one.
No, no,
This.
this one.
You have to use the bar.
Register.
You cannot do that.
No, no, no.
Not this one.
down
The other slide.
down down
Okay.
Slide number
Can I
29.
make this?
Up. One more.
Up.
Up. Yeah, this one. 24.
Okay, I have separate drawing. I can open separate.
Go down now in the file.
Not with the cursor, not with the scroll bar.
I have separate drawing. Good, no problem. I have separate drawing. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you on this is the right?
So, okay, so this one. Okay, so it is mentioned a specified granular bed and surrounding placed in 150 thick layer and compacted as specified for. Yeah, it is coming actually. It is 150. We're coming.
No, 150, matlab, it means that if the pipe is 25, so 150 layers.
On the side.
Not on the side.
Writing has round also. 150 feet layers round.
Round matlab layer, अगर pipe, the distance, if there is 30 centi on top of the pipe.
So I understood what you are saying, but it is right here surround. 150 surround.
In thickness around
No.
thickness. So if there is
Round it.
This is
You are not this pipe, okay? You have 150 here, 150 here, 15 centi BD, up 13 centi 2P.
Top bed is top bed.
It's around
how
there.
they will control it, they will make.
You know, this question is
If more excavation.
No, you know.
Okay, yeah, Shajar, you are meaning that this width, this width,
No.
this is
Rezaur is talking about their
That's right.
they excavate their loose area,
Not
use and
not
excavate it
loose
more.
or
loose.
hard.
Yeah.
It's not, I'm not talking about loose or hard. But
It's,
if they will
yeah,
activate
yeah.
30 centi more, and how they will control this 15 centi?
no 15 centi is not from the side.
Hmm.
15 centi is that it means that if the top bedding is 30 centi, suppose.
It means that the written is wrong. That
It जो लिखा हुआ है उसका मतलब यही है. And surround placed in मतलब they रखना है अंदर करके.
Rezaur ये कहना चाह रहा है कि इधर 15 cm साइड पे लिखा हुआ है. साइड पे हमारा प्राइस अगर ज्यादा है तो
वो नहीं लिखा हुआ है उसका मतलब वो नहीं है इंग्लिश में.
no. What is his? If 150, I believe 150 layer by layer. Is it doing?
Exactly. This is what it means in the note. In the note it means placed. यानी that you will put
150.
if there is 40 centi 15
Exactly.
करके आप लेयर डालोगे. You will not put 40 together gravel. That is the meaning of this. Placed.
Okay, Shajar? Because for example, what is here 30?
will be 30, but they will place 150.
150.
No, width will be according to the trench size, to the pipe size. Then when you are doing the
It is not relation to the width. For leave the width. Width is fixed. Huh? So this is the thickness, height of the layer. Height of the layer. What they are telling that it is 150, 152.
so
Okay.
so top at 30 they will do it in 2 layers so that the compaction is proper. 30
Exactly.
they cannot dump
Exactly.
one time.
Exactly.
4 times they have
it depends upon the
Yes.
one bedding, 150,
Yes.
then
150 and
Side-
however layer
side-
151.
Exactly.
150 over again.
Yes.
150
Yes.
over.
Shajar, now it's
Having site. First, this
Bedding,
bedding,
yeah.
then pipe laying,
Then
Then
pipe.
side
then
bedding.
waiting for
side
side bedding, then waiting for our test and inspection. Then this 2 layer, remaining 2 layer.
Yes, 2 layers.
2 layer,
Two-
15, 50.
There
30.
should be 2 layers.
Yeah.
They are filling the 2 layers, right?
Yes.
They have to compact.
Yeah.
100 centi compact. Then they will put one more 15 centi.
okay. So after 2 layer, then they have to close the geotextile all surrounding. Huh? Okay. Okay, now we are going above. Now I believe it is clear that the 30 cm top and diameter and below 150, right? Okay, now we are going. Okay, yeah, I believe we speak for that. Okay, I'll come. What is it like financial market? Okay, now we'll go for the backfilling. Backfilling. So after this one, we have to go for connection in the manhole, right? If you see the cross section, it is shown that this is a pipe connection here, and this is a backdrop connection, and there is a practical picture from the site. Is Zafar, this is aligned? Make sure it is aligned. Okay.
It's mid top.
Okay, what, yeah, Imtiaz. Okay. Now DWC connection, if you see the cross section, this is help actually here. Again, I'm telling you, while it helped me to this one for this one. Okay. So if you see the connection, short pipe, there is a
DWC.
Yeah, DWC short pipe should be 1.5 multiplied by a diameter. Okay. So that is whatever diameter is multiplied by 1.5. It should be.
There is question.
Hmm.
If they start from one side, minimum 60, then they are laying on other end. If they will not get that, if they will get 1 meter, 1.2 meters, then they should cut in 2 pieces or they will lay in 1 piece. If 1.2 meter.
One piece better. You have to minimize the giant.
If they start from this.
No, I understand. That means if it is more than the this line.
It's minimum.
Minimum 60.
So how much they can maximum?
Maximum.
Maximum or minimum?
No, maximum is a full length. What am I understanding? Maximum should be full. If it's properly, like Walid?
No, full
So
length.
I believe Walid can tell.
No,
We start from the
Full
remaining is 2 meters. What can we can?
full length not.
No, for example, full length is almost fitting. Then what we'll do? We have to make shortcut. Yeah?
والله يعني this practically maximum 1.5 يعني maximum, then we will use makeup base.
Yes.
No, Walid, my question, for example, full length is about 12 meter, right? 12 meter is fully suited, or maybe so we have to cut 10 centimeters.
Not allowed.
Not allowed. That means short piece minimum 600 we have to keep.
It's mention minimum, but
Not-
if we
not
start
the-
from minimum, they not mention maximum. But if we get 1.2 or 1 meter, we will fix this one piece. If 1.5 up to 1.5, we can use
We
one.
can use one.
If more than 1.5, we have to minimum 60 and make a
Makeup
piece
base.
like that.
Okay.
1.5.
We discussed before regarding this point.
Yes.
Okay. So that means short piece should be there.
That piece must be there.
Must be there.
If any happen in the settlement,
Okay.
so not this.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
it's,
That means minimum 600 should be here. Minimum this 600.
Maximum 1.5.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Now I believe it's clear that this is the DWC. I believe this is for UPVC. Okay. It's almost same actually. 1.5 per year.
Engineer, one question another for the coupler. They're using one side DWC, the another
Yeah,
side
it's the last
ITP
picture.
and
Last
customized.
Okay. If you see, this is the DWC.
Last picture, engineer, there is practically.
So,
The last, like this one. This is the GRP manhole and port, and then customized.
No,
coupler.
both are looking same or any difference? How we will know on the site?
It should be same.
No.
No,
Any difference there and physically we can feel?
Different.
One is customized
Customized.
DWC,
Inside
DWC, DWC.
Difference.
A dot mention. Yeah.
It will be written on the subject.
Whatever should be.
It will be written.
There's written there.
So it is mentioned that DWC
See here,
coupler.
customized coupler, they written.
Like half left side.
Yeah.
Customized,
Yeah,
not
customized.
fitting is for DWC, DWC.
Yes.
Not fitting.
Yeah.
Not, the
This spec.
head is different.
I remember it's an HDPE.
So what is the solution?
No,
No
the
problem.
customized only if there
There's
is
only
one
one
GRP side,
GRP
one
to-
DWC side.
Right?
So it will only fit for GRP one side and one side it will be
Okay.
STP. The other one is STP both sides.
Both sides.
Because there's a both sides.
So here, what is customized? One side, GRP, and another side. And it is here.
Yeah, this is special coupler.
Hmm.
The other one is normal coupler for both sides.
Both sides
It
DWC.
has that group for the
Okay, good.
pipe.
Good, very good. Yeah. Okay, next one for backdrop. So same thing actually. So if you see configuration, this is EPC pipe and this is the HDP.
Facing the problem in the material.
Mhm.
This GRP, they put the GRP steel, but outside fitting, outside our pipe is UPVC, but they have to provide UPVC.
Okay, this is the port.
To match, yeah.
Okay.
Not port, the TE1, the internal fitting of also have to.
That is why they
They rejected this bed.
Yeah.
So that means here all should be UPVC, right? All.
Yes, all.
All. What about the SDP?
Whatever material there,
No,
if
no, no.
HDP there is.
The
Yeah.
same,
For
it
the
will
JRB.
become the same
Yeah.
material.
HDB or GRB.
Where is the
All,
HDP?
all coupled GLP. Huh?
GRP, yes.
For fitting and pipe board GRB. For HDBE,
But for
UPVC and the fitting UPVC.
Okay, yeah. Well, here is
Just
mentioned.
mention wrong.
Wrong.
No,
huh?
not wrong.
GRB or
Yes.
UPVC. This is missing.
If everything is HDP, but for us everything is not HDP. This is HDP manhole. This is normal GRP.
UPVC. This is
Now, can you repeat again? So if it is DWC,
see, 1 minute. This in the left, on the left.
First one.
Okay. This pipe board is UPVC.
Mhm.
Okay.
yeah.
All fitting inside the backdrop should be UPVC also.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
This GRB should be removed and corrected to be UPVC.
Hmm.
Another section. This one. This pipe board is GRB.
Hmm.
All fitting inside the backdrop should be GRB. Same material of pipe board. Same material and same stiffness.
Okay.
And same die.
So everybody is clear, I believe. Huh?
No, there is a mistake, yes.
So you can just
Should be
You
the.
stand
Again?
there.
repeat.
Yes,
again.
that's
No,
right.
one time. No, you see everything and you know everything.
Okay, so I'm going to the next one. Okay, now for the warning tape. Warning tape. So warning tape, I believe everybody here. Yeah, we did not come to this stage, right? Okay. So this warning tape is you see, and the top of the soil. Okay. So there is a two criteria. If it is within 900, okay, within 900, less than 900, then warning tape will be 30 centimeter below the top. 30 centimeter.
I think not enough.
Huh?
It's more than.
If
Minimum should be 60.
no, it is mentioned two criteria.
Yeah.
If it is more than 900, then 600. Hmm. If it is here less than 900, then it will 300. Okay. So there's two criteria.
Yeah.
Okay.
Top
This
of
will
pipe.
follow.
Top of pipes.
And above the warning tape,
Top level indicator.
there is a two layers should be
Top of the down below.
Yeah.
Top.
type B material. It is a type B material expert. Shabbat, can you explain us what is type B material?
Yes. 20 CBR.
Hmm?
20 CBR material.
One more explain.
If you see, how do you know it is a type B
Yeah,
material?
right.
Yes. That's material.
Hmm?
That's material. Different type of depending on the CBR.
Okay, seriously, this type B material you can use for road base or sub-base.
Below subgrade.
Or below subgrade. And tell me that how do you know it is a
Physically, how it is
Physically.
on the side.
It's normally a Dutch material. So it seems like.
what do you mean by gas material?
Dutch material. There should be a gravel line.
For example, the
It should
excavation.
not be pure dune sand.
For example, in Mughafaran, the excavated material. What's this type?
Yeah,
Cutting material.
this is excavated.
Cutting
Excavated cutting material used for the type.
Yeah, but this material we can.
Can you
consider
tell
as a
Type and type.
type
no.
after test after
After
approval?
test.
After that, they will take one start there.
Okay.
Collecting sample and start suitable test finishing.
Okay.
After checking CBR, decided the type B material, the type C material.
This
Make
we have
from how much
So
size?
type B material is particle size is less than 10. Less than 10.
particle size, actually, there is no specific gradings
But is
in this material. Normally we are considering the
From
CPR
five-
value.
Type ADQC mentioned that type A material is here.
type
Type
B and type C material is
No, grading CPR analysis only in sub-base and road
below
use.
1 inch.
But type B and type C material, there is
Base
not
type- type B.
specific grading.
Yeah.
Type B up to 20 mm. 90
So what is the difference in type B, type A?
Type B and type C, the difference between type B and type C, this is only depend upon the CBR.
CBR.
Because type B we need minimum 20 CBR.
Mhm.
And type C minimum 30.
I'm sorry, and type A?
Type A. No, type
Use
C is
Johnson.
dune
No, not
sand.
Johnson.
Yeah,
Not
A-
Johnson.
A- this is dune sand.
If
And
both-
type A, I don't know, but what is the this?
No, if it's type A can be used for road base. It is structural load bearing.
Yeah, it is
And
road
type
base.
B cannot, road base, it will be
Road
separate.
base, for the road base, there is specific grading. sieve analysis.
Yeah.
There is specific sieves requirement that this number sieve, it should be less between this criteria.
Okay, next training we'll take, we'll go for daily. Everybody should know actually, go to site, go no, it's right.
Because in Al-Handasah, Samra they are doing, when we go to the site physically,
Yeah.
how we will identify quickly, because they are telling us, yes, this equipment material, it's okay, but how we will.
Yeah, if it is not a dune sand by
It's not
usually
dune sand.
if it is not dune
You
sand,
see,
then
you
it
know-
should be 12B.
Because sometimes we.
If there is some, yeah, but boulder you have to remove. Boulder more than 75, this boulder not
63.5 maximum.
63.
75.
yeah, 75. This boulder should not be there.
If
Yeah.
less than 63, it's okay, huh?
Yeah, if it is. Because, boulder, this was the question before. They told that how you will remove the boulder. This,
Yeah,
this
just
Al-Handasah people, they
other
told
people they ask this question.
how you will remove by using the screen or.
Yes.
So Mr. Premlal told them that while using it in the trench or somewhere, we will remove by hand, if there is. But we try to, when you use the boulder for this
Try
closer,
with the.
if it is not smooth,
Yeah,
if it is only the soil, it can be.
it can be mixed.
Yeah.
Broken.
Okay, we can go for next. This I believe we can, next we'll go for
Next,
detail.
inshallah,
Okay.
business.
Yeah. And I believe everybody should be expert, huh? Okay, when you go to the site, visually you can understand everything, huh?
Yeah.
And I'm sure that is very good people, team. It will happen. Yeah, very strong team. Okay, next one, backfilling. Backfilling, Shahjad. Yeah, this point, huh? So if you see that this we finished, right? Here we finished.
Yes.
So after that, we have to go for layer by layer. Layer by layer till 900, till 900.
Here clear is.
Yeah. Yeah. Left side, if you see, left side is mentioned that, yeah.
Yes, I can.
Above this,
Sharbaddin, yeah.
above within this account, above this around, can you explain all layers? Use a finished road, expand layer.
Dune sand is 20 basically.
Okay,
Check the water and take the compact some random
okay,
and layer by layer. After our municipality, Al-Dar is accepting, backfilling area.
Yeah, it is
for layer
one.
type B,
for layer,
type B,
okay,
60 cm.
okay,
15, 15, 15, 15. And
okay,
CBR 20 material, compaction 95. And the road area is coming, 2 CBR again.
okay,
That is CBR material.
okay,
Because before Al municipality clear mentions type C material, MDD maximum density, minimum should be 1.9. But now adding specification not mentioned.
Only CBR.
Only CBR, that is CBR's material and also 200 C 5 exceed is writing specification. Is 0 to 200 passing, 0 to 25 type B material, 0 to 20 type C material.
0 to 20.
Filler, 200 passing, micron. This passing 0 to 25 type B material means more fine, no problem. But type C, 5% reduction, maximum 20.
5% reduction.
Reduction before 0 to 25 type B, 0 to 20 type C, filler, more fine.
More fine. Is type C is more fine or type B more fine?
Type B more fine.
Type B more fine. Yes, correct. Yeah. Type B more fine.
4 layer after what?
Okay, Sharbaddin, what Sharbaddin?
After embankment is sketch material. Some 15 for layer.
4 layer.
After subgrade, 2 layer.
okay.
15, that is CBR material.
Okay, Sharbaddin, what is telling is exactly correct. Same thing mentioned.
Material software and collected by software.
Mhm.
They are all CBR more than 45.
Okay.
They using type B and type
Here
C.
we don't have any type B material. We have all top C. Type C.
Type C
Excavated material,
material.
all type C,
It's good.
and there is one A3 also. A3 which they are imported from the side. This dune sand. We have so only type A3 material and type C material. So we can use type C material instead of type B. Because type C is more good than better than type.
CBR more than 45 now.
We are getting here maybe 50 years.
And we required,
Yes,
yeah,
required only 20.
This existing material is very good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, what Shafruddin is telling, I'm just repeating.
Okay, engineer, I will go.
Huh?
Yes, ready.
Next week, you will take one session. Huh?
Yes, yes.
Next week. For the which type of material? Everybody will go and see.
Now, Sakir, Salamat.
Okay, good.
Okay,
Good luck.
Get some meeting, huh?
Good luck.
next meeting will be then.
Okay, so if it is here, if it is mentioned after that, after geotextile closer, then we have to go for Dunsan 250.
And the
Every day.
compaction of this 250 by hand, this
Flood water.
only by hand.
You understand the
We cannot use hand over here.
So dune sand we will use if it is more than 900 from the top. From the top to here, if it is more than 900, then we can go for 250. After 250, then we will what Shafruddin is telling that next 90 it will be embankment layer 150. There will be 4 type B and 2 subgrade material severe 30, and type B is 20. Okay, this 150, this will go. So make sure that 900, less than 900, more than 900, this is some criteria. And testing should be done every 100 meter or manhole to manhole. Okay. Okay, now we will go for testing. Deflection testing. Deflection testing, you know that we have to go for 3% after 3 layers of backfilling and 5% after completion of the full completion. So this is the
Only 2 stages. Right?
2 stages here.
There is no 3 stage because in the
This is I believe is stormwater, right?
3 for storm and 2 for sewer.
2 for sewer.
UBVC, there is 3% and 5%.
Mhm.
And for the GRP, 2%, 4%, and 5%.
GRP 3. GRP 3.
Yes.
2%, 4%, and 5%.
5% during handing over.
Okay. Okay. So DWC SDP we have to do, right? 3%. We have to do. If you see that at the ball,
It's very compulsory, very important for DWC.
Yeah.
It is very.
DWC 3 times.
Yes.
the DWC 2 type.
This
We
is medical test not for DWC, this is for UBC.
Given from the DWC.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is UBC.
Now, this pipe, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, just a show actually
Yeah.
how to do the testing.
Yeah.
Okay. So testing procedure is same.
Yeah.
So this is a way, if you see that this ball is putting and there on the other side that
They are pushing from the other side.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'll show you one video, and this is also Walid help me.
Yes.
Don't worry.
God supported it. Here more than 50% Walid did actually.
Super. Well
Yeah.
done.
Okay, so I'll start the video. Manhole testing.
Which is applicable is Manhole testing.
The differential testing.
No, in sewer.
So yes.
This man اللي هو name بس wrong.
Yeah, it's deflection.
I know this.
But what we did-
المادة دي
Mandal دي اللي التليفون والإنسي.
Yes, correct
GRC.
No, this typical mistake.
That's not much.
يلا مشكلة next.
هو كده مبسوط هو كده.
Okay, I'll just show. It is not opening. I don't know. Okay. No. I'll show one. Yeah, it is very easy. Huh? Manhole.
Zafar recording video today. يا Zafar.
Zafar, share the video.
Which one?
By WhatsApp.
It will come now.
يعني طب now deflection test two option, not one option. Tell me.
by using the apparatus like yeah.
This one for bigger.
Okay, see. Differential test. This way.
This now
Reflection
deflection
2
is,
times.
3% ولا 5%?
Both.
Now.
No, he's
Now after three layers, 3%.
3%.
he's confused. He want to know 3% or 5% as free test.
Initial 3%.
I will function.
Yeah.
I told
No, after 3 layers, 3%. Initially 3%, then after completion of the all backfilling, then 5%.
يعني first time
3.
3.
أيوة.
mention.
Now, what is the meaning of 3%?
3% less than the dia, 3%.
Yeah.
Of the
All dia should
point
So all diameter, if diameter is, for example, 300.
Now you calculate 3%. You have to
calculation we can use. But there is a method for the calculation of.
Yeah.
You have to put the ball in the on the paper, and you have to draw a line there, and then you have to measure it with the.
Okay.
It's different, but yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the mass divided by
right.
the mass divided by this volume is equation. What is this?
Exactly.
No need that one. Just.
Because if Boss is the master. Boss, if you have good picture, video,
You
For
can
site.
verify by yourself also.
site specific, share.
It's very easy to calculate. I forgot the figure. And you just take it for here.
No
You
need
just
that.
put
Just center,
I got that.
measure it.
and also by using this method also.
Exactly.
Which one?
That.
Okay, I request everybody to take this picture, sample of it, say on the training purpose, huh? Training purpose, this we are not only to take good bad picture.
This is over another class.
Okay, now next one we can do the hydrostatic test. I believe 1.2 is done here. Jafar can explain. Yeah, hydrostatic test. I don't have any photos actually clearly. Just explain that.
I will send you.
But in the water.
Hydrostatic system.
Just explain, verbally explain. Huh?
Verbally,
Verbally explain.
They will close the both sides with the plug, and they give the height in the pipe. So it's required 5 meter height. And they fill the water from the downstream to upstream to 24 hours at this job. They have to do this to release any air in the 5%. Then have to color and we the chemical in the pipe.
With the pipe.
And then wait for half an hour.
You will mark there.
After 30 minutes, if drop down, it means rejected.
Yes.
This is the procedure only for hydrotherapy.
Right.
But this height should be measured from the inward to the water level should be 5 meters. not less.
Less than 5.
Yeah.
This is the.
Okay, I believe it's clear. Yeah.
5 meter.
Five meter.
Than 5 meter. Yeah.
Okay, for see, what about photos? Good photos.
Actually, because they are paying now.
Phone will be sample
Yeah.
for the others. Huh?
Yeah.
Next one, infiltration test. I believe it is very easy test. So it's same procedure, right? You have to put the water.
Filtration, it means there is a water table, that area only required. So it's normally procedure have to close the both sides of the pipe and wait until 24 hours and then open, and then we will inspect it by smaller dia.
By itself. Yeah.
If smaller dia, you can check by torch mirror, and if the bigger dia by man entry, go and check if any infiltration inside or not.
But you have to put the water first, right?
No, if
No.
there is a water table height, that area is required.
Water table is high. So that means for our case is mostly not required.
No, but now for the bigger dia here RC pipe, we have on the joints, they have to mark the joint. Okay, we will put water to them. They will be checking the tightness of the joint. Water table is not a requirement. Wide tightness of the joint. So they will mark this area 3-4 meters. They will make a
This case what? DWS
RC pipe.
RC
pipe.
No, infiltration actually required for all,
on the
not
what?
only for us.
What?
All type of pipe.
No, but if you-
So Zaporizhzhia is telling that if water table is high, then we need.
لا it's mandatory for all.
for
handling
RC,
of-
for RC, it's mandatory
For all
if the dia is high.
That's JRB by
More than I
I
told
think
you that
that-
for hydro test and infiltration test.
Infiltration all.
filtration.
They will, for RC pipe specifically, the big dias, what they will do, they will mark the joints. Okay, on the RC pipe, after the backfilling is done. Then 3-4 meters, they will mark for us. They will flood it until it reaches the pipe. We will wait for some time and then we will check inside if there is anything.
Okay, this RC pipe, but what about the UPVC pipe and the?
For them, that is, we don't do specifically infiltration.
لا mention. infiltration required for all. Mentioned in the standard.
No engineer, sorry. For the infiltration test for the bigger dia, they will hold water on the top of the big filling or they will remove big filling.
They will do it on the top of the back filling.
Okay, okay, very quick. Yeah.
How the water will reach the-
In case of we don't, the water table is
वही
low.
groundwater है ना.
This water not reach up to that.
Aywa, that's why my question.
How will go with?
How will go, the water will reach to the pipes and it will
Like our
infiltrate.
case, this is 6 meter deep.
So you have to wait for that much time.
Then how much time they mention to keep the water? Because the depth is 6
But
meters.
this for handing over infiltration test requirement for handing over, right?
No. For testing, as per testing for RC pipe.
I think engineer before big filling, they have to hold the water on the top of the pipe a few hours, then we can see.
Okay, this we'll check. We'll check. Next week, what about we have to explain more, no?
Okay.
Because site is not started.
This is important, we have to know.
Yeah. Okay, next one, whole point inspection for CCTV inspection is the regulation to be submitted to AECOM. And this is the purpose is package to check that the CCTV is going through. This, if you see this photo, I will start the video also.
I
So
think this is without this only report.
Yeah.
Only report?
Subcontractor. Subcontractor will do it. Subcontractor.
Approved subcontractor by do, please no.
They will submit the report and the video.
List,
Okay.
list the subcontractor.
Yeah.
Approved.
List.
but why it is not approved?
Same.
If it's not approved, why will it be in the list?
Okay, in this case, CCTV is going through the pipe and check the video and the recording. If is there any cracks, joint problem, intrusion, any deformation, standing water we can see.
Any leakage also can be.
Yeah, but I cannot open.
يجي بقى infiltration.
In my desktop, I could open. Maybe this is the problem for the
Understood.
yeah. Okay. Okay, so I can go for these standard drawings. I believe everybody knows this part by part we already explained. Okay, next one I want to go for just soil. It is not clear. Soil classification. See, if we go for we are telling gas material type B, type C. What is actual material actually? So material, if you see that there's a classification. So every soil there is gravel. What is called gravel? There is a SIP 2.4 is mentioned. So more than 50% of pores, if it is then SIP 4. SIP 4 means 2.56. So if it is size is 2.56 50%, then we can tell it's gravel. So what is type B? Actually, with this gravel size is less actually. Fine material is more, right? Type B. Type A is actually gravel is more. Then sand. Every soil there is a mixture of sand, less or more. No? So sand we can call sand when it is size is less than 2.56, 50%. Then silt and clay. There is a silt and clay. If liquid limit is less than 50, the silt and clay, and liquid limit is 50, more than 50%, then this category. Okay. So that means soil is what is ingredients? Ingredients gravel, sand, silt, and clay. Clay is very fine, very fine. Little more actually, silt. Little more is sand than gravel. So these are basics. Yes. Then if you go sand, if you see sand particle, can you tell why when you put water in the sand, why sand penetrating and very fast? And clay, if you put clay, the water is not
Gaps.
gaps. It is shown in the sea. If you see that clay particle, it is round, almost round. So when sand is, there is more. Yeah. If you see the sand, this is the sand actually. So between the sand, there is a gap. Gravel size is more. This is silt is like that. There is a gap. But clay is like that. Clay, if you see that like plate, That's why if you put water, water is not going. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's like a mud.
Yeah, yeah. So clay, good thing clay is that it is cohesive. It is called cohesive. Huh? It is if you put water, it will not go. This is actually stable, unstable is telling. Stable means clay is more stable because
bond is strong.
bonding, cohesive, more cohesive. And if you put water or anything, it is not not disturbed. But sand, if you put water, slope is down. That's why sand is called not
More
stable.
clay is very dangerous.
Yeah. But what we are telling gas material is actually what I understand gas material here. Some clay material, right?
Yeah, I'm telling that.
Mix up some clay.
Plastic.
Some clay, not full. More clay is not good.
Gas material, the maximum range of plastic index. This is
Yeah,
this is maximum 6%.
6%, yeah.
If it is more than 6%, when it is more than 10%, mean it is
No, these are not good
highly
material.
clay. So
So
highly clay, there should be some in the future there is cracks, some immediately cracks appear.
So they
This,
are
this meaning expensive soil?
no, not
Different.
in clay. They will mix sand usually to make it more stable.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
If-
It can become
Without
less.
mixing.
It is the clay, you can use gypsum. Gypsum is non-plastic.
Yes.
Exactly.
So non-plastic material mixed with the clay material.
So get a
becomes-
mixture of 2-3 soils.
That means here clay can consume more moisture. More moisture means not good for convection. Fine moisture will go out and collapse. That's why it's mixing sand to make it more. Huh? Okay. Okay, this is thing. Thank you very much. So we'll sit, I believe, here, and we want that everybody should interact. Huh?
Yes.
So
That's good
everybody,
for us, we
if our sharing, many things I don't know actually. Huh?
Right.
I'm learning.
Still
At testing, I'm learning.
Still be a
Actually.
student.
Yeah. So everybody should learn. If not, knowledge is power.
No
If
one-
knowledge is this level, Al-Handasah will be very good team. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Engineer is
Hey, he's telling me.
ايه
بيقول لي عرفه ساعة ما سألت
على
على الموضوع ده في الشام.
اه
ده قال لك